Dear friends, Namaskar. Dream, 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 because dreams do come true. This is a dictum repeatedly recited by every legend who has etched his or her name in the history of time. All of us have dreams, but we need to achieve something beautiful in that particular dream. Having dream is half a battle won. The next half is very important one, very crucial one, and that needs a radical action. Dreaming high, hoping high will not bring us anything, whereas those dreams have to be put into action. That should be realized, only then the life begins a meaningful life. But then the fear creeps in. All self-limiting questions flood our minds. What if I become a failure? What if I become a loser in my life? What if I become a laughing stock and embarrass my family? All these self-limiting questions pop up our mind. Then a person, even he wants to take a first step, he will say, no, I cannot. But we need to begin somewhere. Though it is very hard, though it is very difficult, we need to begin somewhere. For that, a beautiful example I can cite is from a world record holder for sprinting, Usain Bolt, who ran 100 meters in 9.58 seconds. Once he was interviewed and he said, in every practice session, I decided not to go again. And whenever I got up from my bed, I thought I should not go today. But the inner self told me that you have to do something. You have begun something, you have to do something. Therefore, I am somebody today. That is what a legend is. It is said, the body says, I am tired. The mind says, I cannot anymore. Whereas the heart says, you have a goal before you and you have to achieve. Go ahead, go ahead. That is what the heart's advice for each one of us. Therefore, we need to begin. We need to start somewhere. Once, the boxing legend Muhammad Ali was asked, how many sit-ups you do every day? Muhammad Ali replied smilingly, I do not count my sit-ups, whereas I start count when it starts to pain. Success will not come easily in one's life. Dear friends, every one of us is talented. Therefore, we are unique. We are different from the other. But the talent alone cannot lead us to that higher position. Our talent should put into action, and it only the hard work can give us that particular skill to achieve the higher goal. The famous Hollywood actor Will Smith says, the talent you got naturally, whereas the skill you got hours and hours and hours of beating on your crafts. Tiger Woods, the legendary for golf champion, once asked, what is the secret of your success? And he said, I shall give you 3 points you keep in your minds. And he says smilingly, first thing is practice. Second thing is practice. Third one is practice. Dear friends, I remember reading somewhere, 97% of the people who have given up on their dreams are working for the 3% of the people who have not given up on their dreams. A beautiful example I can cite before you is that our honorable former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, was born to a fisherman family in a small village near Rameshwaram, who studied in government school. He used to distribute the newspapers in his younger age. A person of that humble beginning, a person of that simplicity, went on becoming a renowned world famous nuclear scientist and made India a nuclear powerhouse. Can we imagine that success for our honorable president? Was it a walk in the park? Never. Such a humble person who went on to become a world-renowned nuclear scientist and the 11th President of India. What more examples we need today? Dear friends, legends are the one who gambled with life. They faced the challenges, risked their life and embraced all uncertainties in life. Road to success is a lonely road. We need to learn to walk alone in that particular road. It is very hard, but we need to take up. At the end, it is worth. We need to achieve something, then we need to begin somewhere, and begin somewhere with conviction that we are able to get one day. Therefore, dear friends, dream high, get up, dress up and show up. Life is to achieve, life is to celebrate, and life is to realize the dream that we have dreamt. Thank you.